crazy. Look at this tint. Oh my god. Hey my loves, what's up and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. I'm Nidhi and I'm here with the most requested video finally. It is the Mars, drum rolls please. It is the Mars Drip Lip Mist video. So I'm here with all of the shades and their swatches, and obviously I had to give my review about them. So here I am with them. I'm very excited. I've tested them out and I know how I feel about them. So let's get started. Let's get rolling. The packaging is very colorful, pretty, playful, and just like that, the tubes too are color coded. Now only the down part I felt about this, that the color does not match the color of the tube. So if you're thinking you're getting this shade, actually the shade is slightly deeper inside, so it is not the exact color that you're seeing on the outside but on the similar lines. So that was a drawback I felt about the packaging. Rest, the packaging is very cute, sturdy, and when you open it up you get a very pretty transparent wand and a doe foot applicator inside, which is fuzzy, and that would easily carry enough product for one single layer of application. So that was the lipstick. You get like 4.5 ml of product and they come in 8 shades to choose from. Now the price of the Mars Drip Lip Mist is MRP rupees 299, while you can grab it on a 10% discount from Mars Cosmetics website. I would have the link mentioned in the description box and also pinned in the comment section. You can use my code NIDHI10 for additional 10% discount off your purchase, because abhi I can see it is not available on Nykaa. It's out of stock, so you can grab it from their own website. So I would leave the link up niche, check kar sakte ho. So talking about the shades now, I'm very happy that they come in a pretty range of like reds, browns and pinks, and also like a nude here and there. So that's like the shade range. Everything is good. The packaging and the shade range and everything, price point, everything is perfect. So that's basically the outer packaging. And talking about them and why they are so hype. Now the Mars Drip Lip Mist went viral because they are on very similar lines, just like the Romand Juicy lip tints, and these are like one of my favorite lip tints because they are super long lasting, long wearing, and even when they fade away they leave like a tint behind, so जाकर भी कुछ रह सा जाता है, if you know. So I really love them, and it's like an affordable dupe because Romand wale are expensive. The Romand ones retail for 890 MRP. Obviously you can find it on discount, but still 299 plus 10% discount, these are way more affordable. Now talking about the formula is very thin, juicy. You can see it is still pigmented, like they are not joking with the pigmentation over here. They literally apply like colored gels or like syrups, if you know. They just look like that, very glossy, shiny, and just like they dry down, they are going to leave a stain. Love the fact that they apply very juicy and they are thin in consistency, but they also leave that, high shine finish when they just settle. Plus, that's not it. It would also not wear off. They leave a tint behind. It is thin, yet it has good pigmentation, and that is what I like. Now, the formula is very unique. You apply it and they look like lip glosses on your lips. So here is the shade 06 Cocoa Drip, and you'll see what I was talking about. So when you apply it, they just apply like your normal glosses. So you see it is thin, yet it has kind of covered my lip pigmentation, but the pigmentation is still kind of seen through. So it is thin in consistency, and you can still see my lip pigmentation peeking through because it has like a medium coverage and it is not very high on coverage. And not just that, the shine is still there. My lips look like glass. So the best part is that you can layer these lip tints and lip glosses or whatever you call them, and they are not going to give you a patchy finish. That is what I really like even when you're layering it, there is no patchy reapplication. So that is how my lips look, all glassy, juicy, high shine formula. Love it. And the best part is that ये बहुत ज़्यादा thin है on the lips, full heavy या thick वाला feeling नहीं है, because some glosses are super thick that they just bleed off your lips, and these would not do. These are nothing like that. It has a very thin consistency, light on the lips, and extremely comfortable. You do not even feel like you're wearing anything. It's non-sticky, and obviously you try transferage test. It is gonna transfer जब ये freshly applied है. You saw हल्का सा color was transferred. After some time, I'll again show you the transfer test, and then only the gloss will transfer and the tint stays. So just give it like 30 seconds or 40 seconds to sit, and then only the gloss will transfer. So once it sits for like 30-40 seconds, you can eat, drink, and have your meals. This is gonna stay. Only the gloss transfers and हल्का fade होगा, but the glossiness still remains intact for like 3 hours. आराम से this stays, and उसके बाद भी ना शाइन भले फेड हो जाएगा टुवर्ड्स द एंड बट द टिंट रिमेन्स बिहाइंड. सो ये आप देख सकते हो, ये जो हमने स्वॉच किया था, आई वुड जस्ट लाइक रिमूव इट. देयर यू गो, यू सॉ that is the tint it has left behind. So similarly आपके lips पर भी once the gloss fades away the tint still remains and so वो wear off होने के बाद भी बुरा नहीं दिखेगा on the lips and that is what I like. Okay, so there you go, you saw only the gloss has transferred now, like 15-20 seconds ही लगे, ज़्यादा समय भी नहीं, and my lips are still juicy and shiny. The gloss is still there even after the transferage and you will get a smooth reapplication without getting patchy or crumbly. बिल्कुल drying नहीं है. It has a very nice hydrating, lightweight, non-sticky formula which is easy to rebuild and you can like get a medium coverage out of it. It is not something super high in coverage, so heading that out. And if you love such soft tint looks, you would love it. Now इसे आप दो तरीके से यूज कर सकते हो. Directly just apply it like this, leave it, and then जैसे जैसे फेड होते जाएगा you can like reapply. Or the second way to use it is like a tint, apply a nice thick layer of the lip drip and then just leave it on for like 40-50 seconds. उसके बाद wipe कर दो. You'll be left with a beautiful soft tint behind and again that looks very pretty. So both ways you can use this and you can easily get rid of the tint with any bi-faced micellar water. You see, it was so easy to remove the tint. So that was the formula. Now one thing which I noticed was that ये when you apply it, it like deepens in color. So जब ये fresh दिखता है ना, इसका color कुछ ऐसा light brown है, but लगने के बाद ना ये थोड़ा chocolatey brown हो गया. So the colors they deepen as they dry on your lips. So that was a bummer for me honestly because सबसे पहले तो packaging देख के I was expecting a lighter shade. अंदर हल्का सा डीप है बट लगाने के बाद ये थोड़ा और डीप हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इवन दिस कलर राइट हियर, इट इज अ ब्यूटिफुल पिंक शेड, ओके, बट ये अप्लाई करने के बाद ना ये हल्का सा डीप थोड़ा सा रेड की तरफ चला जाता है. सो इट इज लाइक अ लाइटर पिंक बट एज इट ड्राइज डाउन इट डीपन्स टू अ शेड अप एंड दैट इज अ थिंग आई वुड लाइक यू गाइज टू नो because that is not what happens with the Roman ones. So these glosses again they have a very similar consistency and everything. Talking about the packaging, ऐसा ही इसका भी packaging है. If you apply it, it has a very light gel-like consistency. Again, you see ये तो और भी ज़्यादा thin है coverage में and pigmentation में also it is very light. But when you apply it, इसका भी reapplication में वगैरह कोई problem नहीं आता है. Long lasting है, lightweight है, non-sticky है. Everything is same in both the glosses. The difference being that इसका जो color है ये post drying deep नहीं होता, while the Mars one slightly deepens to a shade once it settles down. So initially आप देख रहे हो थोड़ा सा ऐसा लाइट ब्राउन दिख रहा था बट लगाने के बाद थोड़ा सा ऐसा चॉकलेटी ब्राउन हो गया. while the Roman ones do not do that, they stay true to their colors. So that's like the basic difference I could like find in them. And also this smells like chocolates, the Mars one, while the Roman ones smell like strawberries. They just smell so good. Okay, so that's like the basic difference that I felt formula wise. And दूसरा major deal breaker is obviously the price point because the Mars one is just for 299 MRP और ये 850 MRP पे आपको मिलेगा. So Roman वाले का खतरनाक dupe Mars ने निकाला. You should definitely try it out. So yes, use my code NIDHI10 for additional 10% discount. So yes, that was my short review about the Mars Drip Lip Mist and also a comparison that you guys wanted me to do with the Roman juicy lasting tints. So let's move on to the swatches now.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being
play dead? Will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string, you don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings, you don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, think you're something.
Now, if you enjoyed the video, then hit the thumbs up button, do subscribe to the Trend Diaries for more, and we shall meet soon in the next one. Till then, take care. Namaste.
Yeah, but if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you